Hi, hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time. I have been trying to video some of my work, but it's just not. I kind of like lost the clips, so that's why it's been years since I've been doing videos, but I do sometimes do some work, although I'm working full time. But anyway, this video is a very long video, but I have tried my best to speed it up. It's like a diary of some of the projects that I'm working on, and this is one of them. Yeah, so it's a frontal, um, and I've tried my best. So this will be the first video, and then I will try and upload the second video as well. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope it's inspiring. And if you want to share anything, share and comment. I will welcome your comments on my videos. So thank you and take care and enjoy the video. So far is that I've tried to, this is the center. What you see here is the center, but I'm kind of like almost all the way here. I think when I get to the side, I will do it almost like what I did with my my curly hair. I think I'll just ventilate a little bit around here up to a certain point. I'm not quite sure because I don't want to, but when we get there, I'll just ventilate a little bit just above the weft, like the sewing. So I'll have my sewing here on the sides, and I'll just ventilate just a little bit, not much really. And at this point, I think I can switch to my one-to-one. I've been looking for a one-to-one. Actually, I can't find anywhere I go. I just can't find any. And the only one what I'm actually I can find some, but they come with the metal handle, and I don't like the metal handles. I like wooden handles, so I'm quite not used to metal handles. So I don't even know how I'm gonna do this one. But the wooden handles, I could only find some on eBay, which is like Chinese needles, and or AliExpress, and it's not quite what I wanted. I really want this one says a one-to-one, according to you can tell I'm not so used to metal handles. I'm a lot more used to wooden handles, so I don't know. I hope I don't miss, but I think it's an European website. Don't know. I'll probably go look for it again and see if they have what I want. But what I really want is a wooden handle, because I'm finding it quite difficult to like make my own, like with the bamboo sticks. I couldn't get this one into the bamboo stick, and I don't want to break it, because last time I tried, I broke it. Yeah, so I was watching a video of wig master, super wig maker, and he was also saying that the idea of cutting the returns, because this is one of the biggest issues I've had. Every time I ventilate something, the returns, it gets tangled. I've seen quite a lot of videos where people are suggesting cutting the returns. I still haven't, you know, bothered to cut any returns of any of my, or any of the work I've done, even though they tangle really bad. So the video that Super Wig Maker was saying, he was also saying that he don't like cutting the returns either. And you know, I agree with what he was saying, because I thought exactly the same thing. And the lady who recommended that I do, yeah, she left comment on one of my videos that I could all right, yeah, so this is the end of part 1. Now I will link the part 2 in the description below. Thank you for watching, and please like my video and subscribe. Can make us a